Alright, so in this video here, we're going to go over the concepts of break apart and merge and how you may want to use it in your given scenario. So we have a couple examples here. We're going to go ahead and start off with the recycling arrows. In this example, many times you're going to get a file or you're going to create something and you're going to notice that you can't move the pieces individually. You look over the layers menu, you can tell that it is basically a flat layer, meaning that there's no grouping or anything like that. So you have to break it apart. Two ways to do that. You can right click, go to break apart, or you can go up to the object menu and go to break apart. Now we'll see in the layers menu, we actually have a folder and we have every single piece where we are able to click on, right? So now you're able to expand it if you want to expand it, or you can delete it and remove it, and everything is just fine. Now you don't need to remerge it unless you wanted to. So you can select everything, you can right click and go down to merge, or you can go to the object menu and merge. That will basically fuse it back into one type of file. In the example over here with the helmet, say for example you wanted to reverse those numbers there of a 1 and a 3. Well, we can select the helmet. We're going to go up to the object menu and go to break apart. Now, this is where it will come in handy if we take a look at the helmet folder, and we can scroll down to the numbers and select them. The other way to visually see this a little bit better would be to go to your document, go down to Workspace Alpha, and we can turn this down just a little. So that would be another way to help you visualize where these shapes are. So I'm going to go ahead and select a 3, and that will allow me to move the 3 over. And then I'll go ahead and select the 1 and move it over here. And then move the 3 back where it would match to make 31. Now I'm going to select everything again, and I'm going to go up here to the object, and then I'm going to go to merge. And then you can change your alpha back up to 100 if you want it. If you wanted to get rid of the 31 altogether, again, we're going to select everything, object, and then we're going to go break apart. Select the 1, hit delete, select the 3, hit delete, select everything. And now we can go up here to the object, and then we're going to go ahead and go to merge. And now we just have a normal football helmet. So again, break apart will remove all the little tiny pieces that you see on the inside as well. Just like in this text here. Select it. I'm going to go up here to Object, Break Apart, and you can see how these insides of the letter, we're able to click on them, delete them if we wanted, to create somewhat of a blackout type of effect. All right, so that is merging and breaking apart inside of CreateSpace.